my name is Casey Backus, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and today I'm going to be talking to you about getting rid of kitchen sponges. A lot of times those are pretty disposable for the most part. You use them a few times, but you have to replace them pretty often. So Norwex actually has a replacement for the kitchen sponge called our Enviro sponges, and these come in a pack of 2 and they have a 1-year warranty on them. I love that they have this Enviro cloth texture on one side, so you don't need dish soap or any kind of cleaner when you use the Enviro cloth side, because just like all of our other microfiber, Norwex microfiber has the ability to remove up to 99% of bacteria with proper care and use. So you don't need any cleaners or dish soap when you're using this Enviro cloth side. I use this just to kind of wipe down dishes if it's something that wasn't real dirty. I just like to wipe down my dishes, and then I don't have to use soap. I use still water with it, or I can wipe down my countertop, sink, things like that. It also has a scrubby side on the back, so if you're needing something to scrub out some stuck on food or pots and pans, things like that, they also have the option of the scrubby side. I personally prefer to use our dishcloth when I'm doing a lot of dishes or when there's a lot of food, just because the food tends to get stuck into the fibers of this Enviro cloth texture. And so just if you're using this a lot on food particles, just make sure to rinse it out really, really well in warm water between uses so that it doesn't start to build up. We also have the dishcloth, which I just referenced. I love this cloth. It looks really weird. It's very large, but I just wad it up in my hand, and I use just a couple of drops of our dishwashing liquid, which does come with a pop top. So you can just do a couple of drops of the dishwashing liquid on the dishcloth and get all of your dishes, clean all of your dishes that way. You do still use the soap with this one. And then with all of these little holes, when I'm done with the dishes, I just rinse it under the water. Under running water, I just kind of go like this under the water, and all of that food and stuff that you'd think would get stuck in here rinses right out really easily. Both of these can be washed in the washer and dried in the dryer, so you can use them over and over again and not be having to replace them constantly. So that is Norwex in the kitchen for your dishes.